Before I even start this video, I want to dedicate to Mason, this fine young man that has helped me in this video, who's no longer with us. All right, so I decided on a Monday morning that I was going to move the CNC up to a mezzanine that has yet to be built and then be able to park my Datsun underneath it. Unfortunately, I have all that wood that I just moved there less than a week ago, and well, it had to be moved. I've already moved a bunch of the MDF and all the heavy stuff, and now we're trying to get all the remaining stuff onto that cart, but we had it at too much of an angle, so we had to readjust it so we could get it all on there. Eventually, we got it, and it wasn't easy. We were trying all sorts of stuff, from bar clamps to just prying it over. It wasn't pretty, but eventually we got it, and there it goes. Next was all getting all the polycarbonate. More polycarbonate, more polycarbonate, more polycarbonate. I have a bunch of them sheets of polycarbonate. If anyone's interested in some, what a great product that stuff is. So I think about 5 o'clock that afternoon, went and got all the 2x and laying them all out, and made the mistake of putting them in place and somewhat trying to get them in place. Well, as soon as I started hammering them on there, they all started falling off. Duh, I'm doing it on sawhorses and they bounce. Gee, what a surprise that happened. But eventually got them all on there. And what do you know? More plywood, all the small stuff. The full sheets are easy to deal with, especially if I have multiple ones, because then I can organize them and know where they go. But all the small stuff is what really just kicks my rear end. Oh, got to take that cabinet down. Okay, that thing's been moved. I can't tell you how many times. I think right now that's currently upstairs on the mezzanine. Then it was a matter of trying to get that 2x back behind the drill press and bandsaw, which, like everything else I do, not an easy task because my help wasn't there at the time. Moving the bandsaw and drill press down again, I had just put them up there. I don't use them all the time, so I figured I'd get them out of the way. Now, if you see in that video, the that blower, that rigid air mover, was caught on the bandsaw. You can see it clear as day in the video, but we didn't see it till we felt it when it hit us. I was dropping all them 2x8s in, or 2x8s in there, 2x8s by 12s. And we got a platform. I do believe that's pretty much where I wrapped it up for the evening.